Hello guys, this is David, and this time in this video I want to show you something specific about this drawing, something a little bit different because the focus of this video it's not drawing the bird itself, even though you can see me doing the beginning of it with markers, but the focus of this drawing will be the background. So I'll teach you how to use the markers and pencils to draw a blurry background, a simple one like in this picture, so you'll see the process along the video. So as you could see here, this was only a simple background. You can try a huge variation of backgrounds with this technique, so I suggest you try everything you have in mind, and I'm sure you're gonna make a lot of interesting stuff. But for now, that's it, and I really hope you like it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, I hope it was helpful. And soon I'm gonna make some more videos and some more tutorials for you, so thank you so much for watching.